Good morning students, welcome to your geography class. In the previous video we were discussing about the mountains, how are mountains formed, what are the features of a mountain, and in today's class we are going to learn about the different types of mountains. The first type of mountain is a fold mountain. Now what is a fold mountain? Fold mountain is generally formed because of the folding or wrapping up of the tectonic plates. Now what is a tectonic plates? Tectonic plates are present deep inside the earth. I have taught you the anatomy of earth. What is the anatomy of earth? Deep inside the earth we have the core. The core is made up of lava and hot molten rock. Above that we have solid rocks which are called the tectonic plates. Above the core we have the lower crust. Above that we have upper crust, and then we have the surface on which people live. Okay? Now, how are fold mountains formed? Fold mountains are formed because of folding or wrapping up of tectonic plates. When two tectonic plates collide with each other because of the pressure exerted from both the sides, the tectonic plates keep on moving inside the earth. And when the pressure increases, what happens? The two tectonic plates compress from both the sides. Meaning, these are the tectonic plates lying under the surface of the earth. Okay? Now it keeps on rotating, it keeps on revolving deep inside the earth. The movement keeps on going inside the earth. Now when the pressure, when the force is exerted from both the sides, when the pressure or force is exerted from both the sides, what happens? The land in that particular area rises up. The land in that particular area rises up. And this gives a shape to a fold mountain. Okay? Now this is how a fold mountain is formed. Now what do we call that force which makes fold mountain? That force is called as compressional force. What is that force called? Compressional force. Now this takes place inside the earth, not above the earth. What happens inside can be seen on the outside the surface, can be seen on the surface. It is not happening on the surface. But the tectonic movements which go deep inside the earth, their result can be seen on the surface of the earth. Okay? Like when the pressure was exerted from both the sides, when compressional force led to the shape of a mountain. Now a fold mountain is formed because of wrapping and folding. Again, compressional forces generally occur because of when tectonic plates converge. The tectonic plates converging means when the tectonic plates collide with each other. When the pressure is more and there is no space for the tectonic plates to come out, what happens? They give a shape to a fold mountain. When they converge, when the pressure from both the sides is leading the surface of the land to rise up slightly. Okay? The example of fold mountains are Himalayas, the Alps, Rockies, Andes. These are examples of fold mountains. They are high with steep slopes. They are high. When the fold mountain is formed, it is divided into two types: young fold mountains and old fold mountains. Young fold mountains generally are conical in shape and their peak is pointed. Their peak is pointed and the base is broad. They also have steep slopes. This was discussed in yesterday's video. And they are snow-capped throughout the year, meaning there is ice on the peak of the mountain throughout the year. Also, they consist of parallel ranges ranges that we discussed yesterday, meaning one attached to another. All the mountains are attached with each other. That is why we call it as parallel ranges of mountain, young fold mountains. On the other hand, we have old fold mountains. What are old fold mountains? Old fold mountains are, if we compare young fold to old fold, they are smaller in size. Okay? They are small if we compare, they are small, they are low in height as compared to the young fold mountains. Example, Aravallis, Urals, Appalachians. These all are example of old fold mountains. How are they formed? They are either formed with the endogenic process or exogenic process. Exogenic, external factors; endogenic, internal factors, tectonic movements. Now, formation of old fold or young fold mountain can take up to millions of years. It is not that tonight we are standing on one surface of the earth and the other night we can see a mountain over there. It takes hundreds and millions of years for the formation of mountains. So, and the old fold mountains are not very conical, they are not very pointed. Instead, they have a rounded peak. They have a rounded peak and we have a little space on the top of the mountain. So, what all things did we discuss today? We discussed about the mountains. We discussed about what all types of mountains are there. The first one that we discussed is young fold mountain and old fold mountain. And these are both the types of fold mountains. We also discussed about how a fold mountain is formed. What is the compressional force? What is the core? What are tectonic plates? These all things we discussed today. So now if you have any problem understanding about the fold mountains, please go through the video. Whatever I taught, whatever notes I have sent to you on your WhatsApp, please read it thoroughly. Make a list of differences between young fold and old fold mountains. Learn the differences, and if you have any problem, we can discuss that in our next live class. Thank you.